In November 1957, just a month after surprising the world with the launch of Sputnik 1, the Soviets sent the first live animal into space. What kind of animal was the first to orbit the Earth? Was it A, a monkey? Was it B, a cat? Was it C, a dog? Or was it D, a rat? Welcome to That Quiz Show. I'm your host, Lauren. The answer to our multiple choice question is C. A dog named Laika, a stray found in Moscow, was chosen to take part in the follow-up mission on Sputnik 2. If you have the correct answer, give yourself some fake internet points. Today, we have 10 trivia questions for you all about space. Subscribe to stay up to date with fresh episodes, and if you want a notification when the answers for this quiz go live at 3 p.m. Pacific, then hit the bell icon too. Are you ready to play? We're a go for launch. Let's take this quiz to infinity and beyond. Question 1. My very educated mother just served us nachos is a very useful mnemonic. What will this sentence help you remember? My very educated mother just served us nachos. What will this sentence help you remember? Number 2. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Here's a little hint. It's in the upper left corner of the periodic table. What is the most abundant element in the universe? What is the most abundant element in the universe? Question 3. Including Saturn, which 4 planets in our solar system have rings around them? That's planets, plural. Which 4 planets in our solar system have rings around them? Question 4. In 2004, NASA landed a pair of rovers on Mars to study the geology of the red planet. What are the names of these 2 robots? What are the names for the pair of robots that NASA sent to Mars in 2004? And question 5. Men and women who fly in American spacecraft are known as astronauts, and those who fly in Russian spacecraft are known as cosmonauts. What do you call the men and women who fly in Chinese spacecraft? What do you call the men and women who fly in Chinese spacecraft? For the next 5 questions, we're going to play 2 truths and a lie in space. I'll provide you with 3 statements, 2 of which are true and 1 that is a dirty, rotten lie. You'll need to separate fact from fiction and tell me which statement is bull. Here's an example about our sun. The sun makes up 99% of all the mass in the solar system. Number 2, the sun is powered by nuclear fusion. And number 3, when our sun runs out of fuel, it will shrink down to a neutron star. One of these statements is a lie, but the universe is so crazy that all of them seem like they could be true. In this case, it's number 3. Our sun is far too small to explode in a supernova and leave a neutron star. When it runs out of hydrogen, it will bloom to become a red giant, and then slowly shrink down to a cool white dwarf. All the outer material will dissipate, leaving behind a planetary nebula. Pretty neat. FYI, all the questions in our episodes are marked as chapters in the YouTube timeline, so you can easily listen to these questions again if you want to hear the questions a second time. Or if you're feeling fancy, get non-linear with it and remix the questions into an order of your choosing. We've got 5 more 2 truths and a lie lined up in this episode, so get your BS detectors ready and let's go. Question 6. Here are 3 statements about Venus. Which one is a lie? Venus's thick atmosphere classifies the planet as a gas giant. 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Or the temperature on Venus doesn't vary much between the day and night, averaging 450 degrees Celsius. Which of these 3 statements is false? Number 7. Let's try to pick out a fake statement about the Earth. You live there, so it can't be too hard. Number 1. All the planets in the solar system could fit between the Earth and the Moon. Number 2. The Earth rotates on a nearly perfect vertical axis. Number 3. 1 AU, or 1 astronomical unit, is the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Which of these 3 statements is false? Question 8. What do you know about black holes? Let's find out. Number 1. The point of no return around a black hole is called the event horizon. Number 2. There's a supermassive black hole at the center of every galaxy. Number 3. If a black hole feeds too rapidly, it can explode in a hypernova. Which of these statements is a lie? Number 9. Stars. You see them every night. How much do you know about them? Statement 1. The largest stars in our galaxy will shine for over 100 billion years. Number 2, stars don't twinkle until their light passes through the Earth's atmosphere. Number 3, every star that you see in the night sky is bigger and brighter than our sun. And our final question of the episode, number 10. This one is going to test your knowledge of galaxies. Statement 1. Galaxies come in 3 general shapes: spiral, cloud, and cone. Statement 2. The word galaxy is derived from the Greek word galaxias, which literally means milky. And statement 3. The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with our Milky Way galaxy. I know which statement I hope is a lie, but which one is it? This wraps up the 10 questions for our space quiz. Answers will be posted later today at 3 p.m. Pacific. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get a notification as soon as the answers go live. You can now find us on Twitter and TikTok at That Quiz Show. Also, we're experimenting with YouTube's new Shorts feature, so if you're looking for a quick hit of trivia, check out our Trivia Shorts episodes on our channel page. New 60-second episodes go up every weekday. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon with the answers to these questions on That Quiz Show.